Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start now by turning the ignition to accessory so the iDrive or head unit powers up. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone and set to discoverable. This avoids delays when the car scans. Once done, open the iDrive communication or phone menu and choose Add New Device or Search for Phones. Removing stale pairings first speeds discovery and prevents conflicts, so clear any old entries in both the car and phone if you haven't already. When the car lists your phone, select it and then accept the pairing request on both devices. You'll see a PIN, confirm it matches so the connection is secure. Next, grant permission for contacts and media when prompted, because without media access you'll only get calls. Once paired, switch to media source and pick Bluetooth audio as the playback source. Make sure the phone's music app is playing and the iDrive volume is up. This ties the phone's audio stream into the BMW system. After pairing, play a test track and adjust both the phone's player volume and the car's multimedia volume. They're independent. If you hear nothing, make sure Bluetooth is selected as the current source, then toggle Bluetooth off/on on the phone and the car. If that fails, forget the device on both sides and repair. If problems persist, check for firmware or software updates for your phone and iDrive module. One quick troubleshooting tip. A soft restart of the iDrive often clears temporary Bluetooth glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.